enjoy life as a law student. I usually wake up early to make sure that I have enough time to prepare for the day ahead. After a quick shower and making breakfast, and of course, I have to start off my day with coffee because I have a long day ahead of me. In the car, I love listening to Selena. I love listening to her because she has me feeling so good throughout the day. I feel energized, and she reminds me of my Mexican roots. I usually like to study at Temple Coffee Shop before heading to campus. Temple Coffee has some of the best drinks, including the Mexican mocha. And now let's not even talk about the scenery. It is so beautiful today, I decided to take a seat outside and catch up on some homework before heading to campus. And after getting my coffee fix, I'm off to campus. Once I arrive to campus, I like to head down to the library. As a law student, there is always work to be done. Whether that's preparing for a class, catching up on reading, or just reviewing for an exam, I like to make sure that I touch all my bases and I do not miss any assignments. Before grabbing some lunch, I stopped at the Women of Color Collective coffee shop event. We like to host this event once a month to help other women of color connect with each other. I love being part of this group because we support other women of color on their journey to becoming attorneys. And of course, I had to get another cup of coffee. Elizabeth and I then walked over to the student center. We wanted to grab a quick bite, so we grabbed some sandwiches. I love the food here because it is made so fresh and it's made to order food. It is so affordable too. As a law student, I don't have a lot of time to be running around to get food, so I appreciate the fact that we have this cafeteria here. And now it's time for constitutional law with Professor Dejani. I love Professor Dejani. I took his contracts class my first year with him, and he did such a great job at explaining the law, I had to take his class again. Today for Con Law, we're discussing freedom of speech. And although this is a hefty topic, Professor Dejani took his time to explaining everything. I left class feeling so well, and I understood the law. And after class, I had to get another coffee. I needed that spark of energy to get me through the rest of the day. Before heading home, I decided to take a walk around downtown Sacramento. This place is my favorite. They have such pretty scenery and there's so much to do here. I love coming here because I like to decompress after a long day of studying. I felt so refreshed after my walk, I just had to grab a refresher. After taking time for myself and feeling refreshed, I decided to go back home and review my notes and prepare for tomorrow. And as I was getting ready for bed, I got a call from my aunt. I love talking to my family. Being a first-generation law student can be challenging, but I feel motivated knowing that I'm on the path to achieving my goals and they're right there to support me. I end my day with some Netflix. Right now, my favorite show is How to Get Away with Murder. As a law student, I could totally relate. Overall, I had a really great day. But now it's time to get some sleep, so I'm rested and ready for another day as a law student.